Hello, now that you have listened to the helpful hints and understand a little bit more about dimensional analysis, let's put it into practice and answer some of these questions. The first one is the order is 50 milligrams and the pharmacy sends 25 milligram tablets. How many tablets would you give? Remember when we talked in helpful hints, there's a rule of thumb, and the rule is you're going to start with what the doctor has ordered, what is given to you. So the doctor's order is 50 milligrams. That goes in this bracket, and you can easily put a 1 under that bracket. I typically leave it blank, but you can put a 1 there to make it all look equal. And then whatever is here, and that means milligrams, that has to go down below so that you dimensionally cross out the like units. And in every 25 milligram tablet, so it's 1 in every tablet, there's 25 milligrams. You cross off those like units and multiply straight across, and you'll get your answer. I have added the answers to the end of this worksheet so you can work them out and look at the correct answer. Question number 2 is 75 milligrams. The pharmacy sends 50 milligram scored tablets. When you see the word scored, it doesn't necessarily mean that the answer is going to be in half, but a scored tablet means that it's available to be broken in the middle. So you can actually break it down the middle and they're equal halves. So there's the order, so 75 milligrams, and they come in 50 milligram tablets. Again, straight across multiply and then divide at the end. The next one, same thing, the doctor ordered or the order is, pharmacy sends a suspension labeled 12.5 milligrams per 2 milliliters. How many milliliters will you give? Again, whatever is here, this is milligrams, has to go here. So cross out the like units. This one is simply asking about a quart or 2 quarts of coffee a day. So you basically have to absolutely know your conversion to this or you won't get this question correct. There's your conversion and just straight across multiply and you have your answer. Again, the patient is to receive. Now this is why I put different types of wording, because it doesn't clearly state that the doctor ordered this, but if the patient is to receive 60 micrograms, then the doctor or a healthcare provider had to order it. So the patient has received that, definitely has to go first. The label has 4 micrograms. Oh, there's a typo there. That should say micrograms per 2 milliliters. So you can correct that on your paper. Number 6, patient has an order. There's 0.5 grams of ampicillin. How many milligrams would you give? So that's how that's set up. I wanted to get down to this one here, which is number 8. The doctor has ordered 0.5 grams. The medication label reads 250 milligram tablets. How many tablets would you administer? So with this question, which you should always be looking at, is there a conversion? Do I need one? Is there a conversion that's needed? If whatever the healthcare provider ordered in grams and the medication label reads milligrams, there has to be a conversion that will sit in the middle. So you start with what the doctor ordered. If grams are here, they must go there. 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Milligrams are here, they have to absolutely go here. When you cross off all your like units, you're left with tablets. Again, straight across multiply, divide at the end, and you'll have your answer. This one is, again, just a straight over conversion. And this one is just basically the same thing that we've done about the physician ordered 5 milligrams, and it comes in 15 milligram per milliliter. This one, if there is no specific rules, this one asks round to the 10th, then you could leave it mathematically correct and take it to the thousands and round to the hundredths, or you can leave it mathematically correct, which is to the thousandths place. This one actually talks to you about rounding to the 10th. In future podcasts, we're going to talk more about that type of thing, rounding issues when it comes to tablets, milliliters, and things like that, so that you understand what the rounding process is. And here are all your answers to the questions.